I think America and Israel need to defeat and finish Iran and put a new leader in Iran. Because if they don't do this, America and Israel will have another nightmare. And Iran may continue to take revenge on the two countries. Because if time for Iran to rise up, he will once again strengthen his proxies and even more powerful. So, Israel and America will need to continue and put a new leader of Iran. That is my humble opinion.